Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Desi Jugaad bat step by step. Gather your metal bowl, clay, beeswax, cloth, and a small stick, then clean and dry everything. Sand rough edges gently and measure clay to fit the bowl base. Heat beeswax slowly for sealing and test small patches for safety. Work patiently, shaping the clay and pressing it into the bowl for a snug, durable finish. Start shaping by rolling clay to a uniform thickness and cutting a disc to fit the bowl base. Press the clay disc firmly into the bowl, smoothing the seams outward so no gaps remain. Carve a handle and add small grooves for grip and drainage using your stick. Keep movements steady and consistent, checking fit frequently. Allow the shaped clay to set partially before moving to the sealing step with beeswax. If you are enjoying this tutorial, please subscribe and like to support more simple Desi hacks. It really helps. Quick recommendation: I found some great leak-proof containers that make meal prep easy, and they pair surprisingly well with bat cleanup and leftovers. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab them if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Warm beeswax slowly in a double boiler and brush a thin, even coat over the clay surface to seal pores and add water resistance. Let the wax cool, then buff the surface with a clean cloth to achieve a smooth, pleasant finish. Inspect seams and repeat coating if needed for better sealing. Finally, test with a small amount of water to confirm stability and water resistance before regular use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.